Thank you so much, ma'am, for taking out time and speaking with us. I welcome you to the second edition of National Conclave, Stroke Conclave and Awards 2024. I would like to ask you one question, like what role do emerging technologies like AI and machine learning play in stroke diagnosis and treatment during the golden hour?
Thank you for inviting me to the conclave. It was my pleasure to be here and be on the panel discussion. Actually, stroke care needs a very emergent type of an action, right? As we are dealing with time, and it's a very short duration wherein the patient can be salvaged and the disability can be prevented. So herein lies the role of AI and machine learning, wherein starting from the triage in the emergency room, right? It helps in the the accurate diagnosis of stroke patients. It helps bridge the gap between the rural and the urban areas, where a big tertiary center can actually connect with a primary care center at the rural level. And therein the senior consultant or a neurologist can guide the physician over there on what to be done at that particular moment with that particular patient in that rural center. Apart from that, it also helps in triaging which patient should be sent to which center or institution wherein appropriate stroke care would be given to that particular patient. After that, prognostication also gets better with the use of AI algorithms, and a lot of data coming from different EHR, which is now being increasingly accepted by many hospitals throughout the country. After that, there is a role in rehabilitation also, right, wherein which patient would recover up to which extent, and what would be the interventions which what should be done in a particular patient wherein the rehabilitation would lead to a better outcome. So even in rehabilitation, AI plays a major role. So AI works on the data analysis, and therein you give it a particular outcome, and that AI creates an algorithm which would give you that particular optimal outcome. So I think AI is going to play a major role in the future, and at least in stroke care, or maybe as a healthcare overall. And I think we definitely would have to be more accepting, more inclusive, and it would be more of a more comprehensive setup wherein rural and urban areas are connected and they're working in synergy for stroke care.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your insights, and it's a pleasure speaking with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.